Hello, Dr. Don Presno here with a short theory about potential optimal learning times for Gen Z students. So let's begin with lunch break. We cannot learn during lunch break. Let's get rid of those. Next, let's just say many Gen Z students uh, believe that they do not have to take Friday classes. So let's delete all of those. Wow, a whole day of learning gone. And of course, my years of experience in the classroom, I have noticed that students tend to tune out on Thursdays because Thursday is actually the beginning of the weekend, almost a pre Friday, if you will. So let's remove those potential pockets of optimal learning. And let's rewind, if you will, to Monday. Monday is the perennial, oh, I am so tired today day, especially before 12 noon. Then, of course, we have the post lunch problem, which namely is I just ate lunch and boy, am I sleepy. So that removes more times for potential learning. And of course, anything before 10 o'clock is not preferable for the Gen Z student as they love their sleep time. So, as we can see, we are losing a lot of potential learning time. So, we're left with Tuesday and Thursday, but we are already creeping past noon, so let's go ahead and delete that, and we'll call that a potential learning time. 11 to 12, let's say. Whoops. Okay. Now, the problems that we have post lunch, as I mentioned a minute ago, are oh my goodness, I am very tired. So, lots of yawning here, or just um, uh, light apathy, I guess we could call it. So, let's get rid of that. And then, of course, 4 o'clock is just far too late in the afternoon because we're definitely sleepy after a day of lunch and reasons. Potential class period 3:30 to 4:45 Tuesday and Thursday. That is, well, let's give it a shot here. However, it's still very late in the afternoon, so on second thought, that's probably just not going to fly. So, what we see here And in my experience, I teach 75-minute classes. So let's be fair and extend the time here and here to Monday. Now, our problem becomes 12 noon, lunchtime is on the horizon. So, the student more than likely is probably already starting to think 15. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt. They're probably starting at 11:30 to think of lunch at 12. But let's just say that they're hanging in with us while we're teaching. Let's just hang in there and say we've got 4 pockets of time for 45 minutes. That's what? 45 and 45 is an hour and a half. An hour and a half times 2 is 3 hours. So, out of an entire week, the potential optimal learning time for Gen Z students is an 11 o'clock to 11:45. However, we do have to make two adjustments. Monday is still part of the, oh, it's Monday, I'm tired. So we have to delete that. Thursday, again, if you recall, is pre Friday. So students think, oh, we have to go ahead and get rid of that. So, really, what we're looking at for optimal learning times for Gen Z students is Tuesday and Wednesday for a grand total of an hour and a half. However, if we are on a Wednesday, hump day, if you will, many students report being tired at this time. So, what we have to do is, of course, delete any Wednesday potential learning times. Therefore, it looks like through the process of elimination that our optimal learning time for Gen Z students is 11 o'clock to 11:45 a.m. every Tuesday. However, experience does tell us this is giving them the benefit of the doubt. In all practicality, they're really starting to think of lunch at 11:30. So, we're left with 30 minutes a week learning time. Of course, this phenomenon would require further study.